That white sand beach you love? It's fish poop. One parrotfish can crap out 800 pounds of sand a year, and coral reefs would collapse without it. Parrotfish have a beak made of fused teeth, strong enough to crunch straight through solid coral. They're not just nibbling algae off the surface, they're biting off chunks of the reef itself. Inside their throats, a second set of teeth, called a pharyngeal mill, grinds that coral into powder. They digest the algae, and everything else comes out the other end as fine, white sand. That grazing isn't just sand making, it's reef survival. Parrotfish strip away algae that would otherwise smother coral and choke it to death. Remove the parrotfish, and reefs get buried alive. And here's what makes this even crazier. Scientists estimate a single parrotfish produces enough sand each year to fill a small dump truck. Which fact blew your mind most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.